do something really crackhead dance. Yes, alright. Let me take it serious. Why yeah, hip out the hip? Why you push out the hip so like one man?
Mommy, I've never been linked before.
What? Mom? Who? Tiffany!
Alright, so when you plan to start the food business?
I not even know no Tonian. Right now, I'm just out of it.
You serious?
I'm serious.
I'm gonna ask you something. You broke?
No.
You sick?
No.
Somebody dead for you?
No, Tonian.
So make you no want to start?
Because Tonian, my headspace just not right. My head.
I can't believe you did excited about this, you know? I know you nobody want to do it.
I know say me no want to do it, you know.
You not have no excuse, Kareem. If this is something you believe in, Kareem, just start it. Don't make no little problem making nobody want to do it. You have a place and you have money where you can start the business, Kareem. So what kind of little problem stop you making no want to do it?
You know say you're a real good girl, Tonian. Yo, me respect you, you know.
Come on, man. Cheer up. Want a dragon?
Your treat?
Yup.
Man.
Politician boy. After I tell you to send the money in my account to save your daughter, and I know you not send it. Watch your style there.
Marcos, Daddy, please.
Michelle, Academy Award goes to you. You're taking this thing too far, man. Where you get these guys from? I know everything that you've been doing, Michelle. It's time for you to end the charade.
No, Marcos, this is not a joke, Marcos. Please help me. Daddy, please listen to Mom.
Oh, come on. Tiffany, you're in on it as well? Come on, man. You guys can come home. Let's go on a vacation.
Oh, so you think a joke thing? Alright, watch out. You see when me talk? No dog bark. So listen to me now. Right now, the money gone up. 30 million US.
Them put up a hard fight. So find the hard cash.
You hear that?
You're dead, boy. Remember what you never find. You're dead.
Lock shot, man. What, man?